Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we chose an interesting novelty to demonstrate, the PTKM-1R top attack anti-tank mine. The idea lying behind the design is the following. Modern tanks have beefed up their protection levels a lot, but they still possess a soft point in their armor, and this Achilles heel is the upper hemisphere. The new ammunition that we present aims exactly at the least protected part of a tank or self-propelled gun, its roof. The new type of anti-tank mine can be easily called a smart ammunition. The PTKM-1R is capable of selecting what armored vehicle to hit. It chooses only those equipment that meet the specified parameters in terms of noise and ground vibration. It is intended for destruction of tanks and other armor and does not attack light armored vehicles and wheeled vehicles. It is installed manually at a distance of 5 to 50 meters from the probable route of the target, making it quite difficult to detect. The PTKM-1R consists of a transporter launcher and a combat element. The transporter launcher is equipped with acoustic and seismic sensors. The combat element is equipped with infrared and radar sensors. The upper part of the transporter launcher is a guidance element for the warhead and can deviate from the vertical axis by 30 degrees. It has acoustic sensors on it. In the lower part, there's the drive that ensures that the warhead turns into the direction of the target. After placing the mine, the clamping ring is unfastened, the legs drop down, 4 acoustic sensors spring up, and 2 seismic sensors are ready for operation. The electronic delayed cocking mechanism activates the combat mode after 6 minutes. When an armored vehicle gets within a distance of 100 meters from the mine, the seismic sensor detects the target and issues a command to bring the mine into a combat position. It tilts. Acoustic sensors determine the direction to the target and issue a command to turn the guidance element towards the target and then track it, adjusting the turn accordingly. The control unit processes the signals from the mine body sensors, and when the threshold values are exceeded in both channels, it switches to the target classification mode. If the target is classified positive for destruction, the acoustic signal is used to calculate the turning angle of the transporter launcher and the moment of launch. And when the target comes within 50-meter radius from the mine, the seismic sensor commands to launch the combat element. The ejection charge sends the combat element into the air at an angle of 60 degrees, with an initial speed of 30 meters per second. The combat element follows a ballistic trajectory. The maximum height the combat element reaches is 30 meters. At the same time, the combat element sensors, thermal and radar, scan the Earth's surface. When the sensors detect the target, the warhead is detonated and strikes the target from above. Height of the PTKM-1R mine is 510 millimeters, diameter is 220 millimeters, and the weight is roughly 20 kgs. The explosive weighs 2.8 kgs and it ensures penetration of at least 70 millimeters of armor. Self-destruction time can be set for a period from 1 to 10 days. This mine is really smart, selective, anti-armor type, and have great potential because it surely won't hit an unintended target and at the same time guarantees engagement of heavily armored targets. If you want to learn more about the PTKM-1R top attack anti-tank mine and other munitions, please visit our official website or contact the company directly. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, share and like this video, and leave your comments.